Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with
Mom.
So today we're going to make how to make gluten-free pumpkin sugar cookies. So are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's get started.
So first thing we do is get the sugar cookie dough.
So we already made our sugar
So we did.
cookie
We
dough.
already made.
All right. So we need 3/4 cup of dough to dye orange. Can you help me?
Yes.
Okay.
After all that is done, I'll just put it into this big bowl. So after that, I'll just put an orange dye into the bowl.
So what happens next?
I'll just mix it up.
Ooh, let's mix
Mix
it up.
it.
All right.
I love Halloween.
When's your birthday, Leah?
Halloween.
I think it's almost completely mixed in.
Yep. Well, next thing to do is to skip it.
Now it's time for the green dye.
You ready to mix it?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Does that look good?
That was great. All I do is put it in a wrap.
We're gonna put it in the fridge.
Yep.
For how long?
2 hours. For 2 hours.
That's a long time.
Here's another time.
So off to the fridge.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, all we need to do is put the flour on this table. It's very messy.
It's kind of fun though, isn't it?
Now I'm gonna stick it on top.
We're gonna roll it like Play-Doh.
Yep, just roll it Play-Doh.
All right,
Roll
do
it. Like it's a Play-Doh.
like we're playing Play-Doh.
So after all that is in there, I'll just put it into a trench.
So now what do we do with the green?
Like a snake.
We're gonna roll it like a snake?
Yeah.
Oh man, okay, all right. Put it in that trench.
Be careful.
Okay. So is this gonna look like a pumpkin?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, what happens now?
I'll do is to roll it. To roll.
Roll it up?
Yep. Roll it
Okay.
up.
All right.
It is ready.
It's ready? Okay.
Let's wrap it up. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you can see. This is what it looks like. Did anyone see the pumpkin? It's right here, guys. It's right here. Now all you need to do is put the cookies in the oven.
Okay, I'm gonna bake for 12 minutes.
12. Good start.
These are perfect for Halloween.
Yeah. Dad! We got cookies! Ready?
Hey, what do we got here?
So we made a gluten-free pumpkin sugar cookies.
Oh.
Pumpkin.
That'll go great with my Mermaid Cafe coffee.
Do you want to try it?
Sure. That's good, Leah.
That's delicious.
That's perfect.
Cheers.
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 That was good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we're gonna give a huge special shout out to Esther that did a project about me and everyone else. Thank you, Esther, for doing this. Thank you.
We hope to see you at the Mermaid Cafe.
You didn't notice, we just opened my own cafe, the Mermaid Cafe. Come by and visit and see some friends, some family, and anyone like that. Anyone. Comment down below. What is your favorite thing to do at this fall season? Comment down below. Happy Halloween, guys. Happy Halloween.
Happy
Happy Halloween! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Nut burger.
That's being goofy.
Why are you putting that on my head?
We're about to do. What is this? I'm sorry. Yep. So today we're gonna go ahead.